What's up, guys? Welcome back to Low Red Garage. We got the exhaust all painted in the last video, so I'm gonna get it all put back on the truck for the final time. Gotta do a quick oil change, put some gas in it, and we're gonna fire the truck up and bake the paint on and see how it sounds. So stay tuned. Enjoy the video. Alright, the exhaust is all on for the final time. You can see I started wrapping the cross pipe, and under the frame bends here actually ran out, so I gotta get some more, do that side. It was 25 feet to do those two pipes. But that looks really good. I'm real happy the way that turned out. Looks real nice, and it'll add some protection to the transmission pan over here and the frame rail. This side has the power wire and that side you can actually see the fuel line, the braided fuel line. So just a little added protection there. But the exhaust is all on. Looks real nice. So I'm gonna give this a quick oil change, and then we'll fire it up and see how it sounds. All right, I did a quick oil change. Threw 5 gallons of non-ethanol in it. I'm gonna show you what I got here. I wanted to run this Hot Rod Classic oil from Lucas, and you can buy it in a quart and then 5-quart jugs, and I need 6 quarts for this truck, and it was $50 for a 5-quart jug, and to buy an extra quart it was almost $20. The only place I could find it was online. I was gonna buy 2 5-quart jugs and there'd be some left over, but it never really made sense. It kept going up and up. I found this 6 gallons from Jegs. Pretty cool little package here. It's got a little spout. I was just putting it into a little empty quart here, measure it out. I'll probably down the line I'll get some kind of jug with the measurements on it. But I thought this was pretty cool. It ends up this means 24 quarts of oil. So divided by 6, I can get a bunch of oil changes out of this. I also picked up, I like to use the Wix filters, the 515. But I've seen this R, which is the racing filter. They say it's better for the high volume, high pressure oil pumps. And it has some kind of a valve in it to prevent the oil from draining back out for startups. So I think we're gonna fire this thing up and drive it out of the garage and let it kind of idle and maybe some revs and get the exhaust up to temperature to bake the paint on. This is actually going to be the first time this truck has ever driven out of this garage under its own power. It's been 5 years since I pushed this truck back here with no engine, and so it's a pretty cool milestone. run for about 20 minutes, get the exhaust up to temperature, try to bake the paint on. That's where I'm gonna end this video. Appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't done that. Until next time, take it easy.